In this video, we're going to show you how you can use WSM's Import Tool to help you assign cross-sell products to a group of like products on your site. Specifically, I'm going to be using the Import Tool to take one product's cross-sell assignments and assign those same cross-sells to all of the remaining products within the same category. So to start, I have to first assign my cross-sell products. To do that, I'm going to navigate to the category I'm working on. And I'm going to grab just the top product and manually assign a couple of cross-sell associations to that product. I click the little brown box icon. Click the green Add Product button. And the first cross-sell product I want to add are gift cards. Click it once it pops up in the predictive menu results and add the cross-sell product. Next, I have a new product for priority testing. I also want to add that product as a cross-sell. Once it pops up in the predictive search results, I just click on the product title and click the green Add Cross-Sell Product. From here, I have to set up my CSV profile. So to access those, I'm going to hover over Data and click on CSV Profiles. And in the search field, I'm going to look up cross-sell. Now the profile I want to copy is ID 7525 WSM Copy Only Global Cross-Sell Update. So to copy this profile, I'm just going to click on the copy icon and click OK. And if we scroll down, we can see our new copy of the global cross-sell update. So I'm going to click the pen and paper icon to edit the name of this profile to something that I'll be able to more easily find. For me, I'm just going to call it Cross-Sell Update. Click the green Save Changes profile. And now let's go back to the category that we were working on. So I hover over Catalog, click on Categories, and then click on the brown box icon to see the products assigned to this category. Now that I've copied and created my CSV profile, I'll be able to find that in the Export Profile menu. I just click into the Export Profile dropdown. I select my Cross-Sell Update profile, and then click the green Export button. Let's open up the file. And we can see my first product is the product that I assigned these cross-sells to manually. And so all I have to do now is double click and the value pastes down the rest of the column to cover the remaining products within the category. So we're going to save this file. Make sure to select CSV UTF-8 delimited file, and then click Save. Now I'm going to close out the file, and we are going to go back to our CSV profile, and I'm going to run my cross-sell update import. Typically, you would want to segment your imports, and the first import should only be a test, maybe 5 to 10 products maximum. The category that I'm working in right now only has 10 products assigned to it, and so my full import is the size of a typical test import. This is easy enough for me to go back and manually remove any mistakes if I happen to have caused them during the import process. So to run the import, I'm going to click the import icon I'm going to choose my files. And then I'm going to click Force. This product update has to be forced because I am using a multi-delimited value. That multi-delimited value are the two products that I'm assigning as cross-sell products. So because I'm assigning two products at once, I have to force the update. Now let's click the blue Run Import button. And we can see that I have a total of 14 cross-sells that have been successfully added to my products. Let's go ahead and give a quick check. We'll navigate back to the category I was working on. Click on the brown box icon to view the products. And now we know that we set up this product manually. So let's go ahead and spot check a few of the remaining products. And now we can see that they've all had the cross-sell products successfully added via an import. And that's how you use the WSM Import Tool to help you copy and associate manually assigned cross-sell products.